Good evening, tutor and students. Material design for virtual environments. Student, Florence Serracando. Tutor, Cristian Quintero. Grau, Teaching. School Education Sciences. Bachelor degree in English as a foreign language. University Open a Distancia, UNAM. Shigorodo. Educaplay is a very useful tool for a teacher to teach English to their students in a full way. With this tool you can create many activities and games in English for world students. These are some of the activities and games: riddle, complex, collection, crossword, dialogue, dictation, interactive map, or the letters, or the words, presentation, relate mosaic, show, chess, video quiz, roulette of the words. This is an example of the test type activity to review the days and months of the year in English. This activity has a time to complete and is worth 100 points. The second example is a crossword. About the word is of the profession in English. To find the correct word, you will have several clues. This activity serves to improve the reading. This tool seems very interesting to use for all the benefits and the offer for more didactic and fun teaching. Thank you very much.